Good morning, first PC students. Yesterday, what did we complete? First exercise, relation functions. First exercise completed. Today, the second exercise. Second exercise, the concept is relations. The first exercise concept is Cartesian product. Okay, this is the relations and function chapter. First relation. So, the relation R from a non-empty set A. What is the relation? Relation is nothing but Cartesian cross product. Relation is nothing but Cartesian cross product. Cartesian product. Nothing but Cartesian product. Okay, relation means Cartesian product. I will explain an example. I will take one example and have to explain. Okay, so first definitions. R is nothing but Cartesian product. A cross B, B cross A. This is relation. From a non-empty set A to a non-empty set B is a subset of the Cartesian product of A cross B. Is subset of Cartesian product of A cross B. Is a relation. Okay. Relation. What is the relation? From a non-empty set A to non-empty set B is a subset of Cartesian product of A cross B. A cross B, Cartesian product of A cross B, subset is called relation. The subset is derived by the describing a relationship between first element and the second element of the order pair in A cross B. In A cross B, what is the relation between first element and second element? The second element is called the image of the first element. Second element is called the image of the first element. Okay. Next, what is the domain? Domain definition. The set of all first elements of the order pairs. The set of all first element of the order pairs in a relation R. From a set A to the set B is called domain of a relation R. Next, codomain, range, this one. The set of all second element of the order pair in a relation. Set of all second element in the order pair of the relation R from a set A to set B is called range. The whole set B is called codomain. The whole set B is called codomain. The range is subset of codomain. Range is subset of codomain. So, definitions. Okay. Next, go to an example. I will take one example and explain. Okay. Explanation. Let A is equal to 1, 2. A is equal to 1, 2. B is equal to A, B, C. B is equal to A, B, C. So, what is the A cross B? A cross B equal to 1 A, 1 B, 1 C. Next, 2 A, 2 B, 2 C. This is A cross B. The total A cross B are subset of A cross B. Subset, you know subset, single element, double element, triple element is subset of A cross B is called relation. For example, this is relation R. Okay. So, and what is the relation? The subset of A cross B. Subset of A cross B is called relation. Okay. Next. For example, this is set A, this is set B. Set has how many elements? 1, 2. This is A, B, C. A, B, C. 1A, 2B, for example. 1A, 2B. This is relations. 1 to A, one relation. 2B, 2 to B, one relation. This is 1 to A. This is 1 to A. One relation is nothing but mapping. Okay. This uncle and brother-in-law, like the mama, this relation. Okay, which one? 1 to A relation. This is one of the relation. One of the relation is nothing but one order pair. 1 comma A. 1 to A, 1 to B, 1 to C. Next 2 to A, 2 to B, 2 to C. These are so many relations. This is called relations. Okay. So the relation can be written in the ordered pair 1A, 2B. Okay. This is called relation. Okay. A is what? What is the meaning of A? A is the image of one image. A is the image of one. A అనేది image of one image. A అనేది one image. B is the image of two. B is the image of two. So C is there is no image, not image of any other. So C has no image. So this is C is not a mapping. So this one. Okay, understand what is the relation? Relation is nothing but 1 to A. For example, R is equal to. From the figure, what is the relation from the figure? 1 comma A, 2 comma B. This is the relation from the figure. From the figure, what is the relation? 1 to A relation, 2 to B relation. What is A? A is the image of 1, B is the image of 2, 1 is the pre-image of A, reverse, pre-image. Okay, image means mapping is A to B. A to B means 1 is to A is the image of A. అంటే A అనేది 1 కి image, B అనేది 2 కి image. So 1 is the pre-image of A. 1 is the pre-image of A. 2 is the pre-image of B. Okay. So the set A 1 comma 2, the set B A B C. Okay. This one. Image, pre-image, relation. Relation is called mapping. Image is called 1. A is the mapping of A is the image of 1. 1 is the pre-image of A. This is next relation, image, pre-image. What is the codomain? In the relations, the order pair in the relation, the first element of the order pairs. In the R, what is the domain? Domain is 1 comma 2. In the order pair, the first elements are called domain. In the order pair, the second elements are called range. Second elements are called range. What is the codomain? Codomain is means this is the domain 1 comma 2 domain. Okay. Codomain means the number of elements in set B, the second set, the number of elements in B, set B is called codomain. A, B, C. What is the difference between range and codomain? Range is only mapped elements is called. Mapped elements in set B. Mapped element in set B is called range. The all elements in set B all elements in set B is called codomain. This one. Which one is big one? Codomain is big one or range is big one? Codomain, because codomain ABC range only two mappings. Subset of codomain, range is subset of codomain. And equal coda, this is also equal. This is subset, this is subset of. Okay, this one. Okay, understand? Relation. Relation is mapping, mapped elements. The relation written in the ordered pairs. How many relations? Two relations. In the domain, the first elements in the ordered pair is called domain. The second element in the ordered pair is called range. The total elements in set B, second set, is called codomain. Finish. Clear? Image, relation, image, pre-image, domain, range, codomain. This is once again the relation from the figure. How many relations are there? Two relations, 1A, 2B. This is relation. Domain, first elements in the order pair. Range, second element in the order pair. Codomain, the total elements in the set B. So from the figure, only observe the figure. What is the domain? 1, 2 domain. Range A, B. Codomain ABC. Image. What is the image of A? 1 is the image of A. Okay. A. What is A? A is the image of 1. A అనేది 1 కి ఇమేజ్, B అనేది 2 కి ఇమేజ్. ఓకే, 1 అనేది A కి ప్రీ ఇమేజ్ రివర్స్. This is the explanation. Okay, understood? Clear? This is the simple topic. What is the relation? Relation R is equal to 1 comma A. Okay, 2D, 2 comma D, 3C, 3C, 4B, mappings, 4B, 5E. This is the relation. What is the image of 1? The image of 1 is A. What is the pre-image of B? Pre-image of B. B pre-image 4. Domain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 domain. Range A, B, C, D, E. Codomain A, B, C, D, E, F. Codomain. Clear? Okay, let us go to the exercise. First problem. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on 14. Relation from A to A. Relation from A to A. Define relation from A to A by R is equal to, what is R? R is equal to set of all ordered pair x comma y such that 3x minus y equal to 0 condition, where x comma y belongs to a. X y values belongs to a. A is equal to 1 to 14. Okay, only x comma values in between, in only up to 14. Okay, 15 is not considered. For example, x is equal to 1, no. 3 into 1 minus y is equal to 0. That is equal to y is equal to 3. Okay, x comma y. X comma y is equal to what? Relation means what? Order pairs. x1 y3. Okay, next. Put x is equal to 2. 3 into 2 minus y is equal to 0. So y is equal to 6. Y is equal to 6 means 2 comma 6. Okay. Next put x is equal to 3. That implies 3 into 3 minus y is equal to 0. First we have to find relation. How to find? By the given condition. Or relation is equal to, this is the condition. In the equation in terms of x comma y, the x comma, what is the x comma y? Belongs to a. Okay. Y is equal to 9. So 3 comma 9. Next. Put x is equal to 4. X is equal to means 3 into 4 minus y is equal to 0. That is equal to y is equal to 12. What is the order pair? 4 comma 12. Next, put x is equal to 5. 3 into 5 minus y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 15. Not consider. Y value 15 is not considered because the x comma y values up to 14. So what is the relation? First we have to write relation 1 comma 3, 2 comma 6, 3 comma 9, 4 comma 12. This is the relation. Okay, are you clear? Relation. Okay, next question. Write down domain, codomain and range. Set R from which one? A to A. A to A. A to A. There is no B. A to A. So domain. What is the domain? Domain is equal to first elements in the order pair. 1, 2, 3, 4. Range. Range is called second element in the order pair. 3, 6, 9, 12. Codomain. Codomain is equal to what? A. A is equal to what? 1, 2, 3 and so on up to 14. The relation from A to A. Problem is given the problem. The relation from A to A. This is the domain, the codomain. Okay. Understood? Clear? Define a relation R on a set n of natural numbers. Define a relation R on set n of natural numbers by R is equal to x comma y such that y is equal to x plus y. X is a natural number. X is natural means belongs to n. Okay, x is a natural numbers means the natural number is denoted by capital N. Natural number less than 4. Natural number less than 4. Less than 4. Less than 4, x comma y belongs to N. X comma y belongs to N. So, first to natural number, so x is a natural number. So, x is equal to what? X is a set. So, y is equal to x plus y. X belongs to natural number. That natural numbers less than 4. Less than 4 means 1, 2, 3. X is 1, 2, 3. So, relation. X is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. Y is equal to what? 1 plus 5, 6. Substitute. Put x is equal to 1. Y is equal to x plus 5. Y is equal to 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. So, this is 1 comma 6. This is the procedure. Next, x is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. X is equal to 3. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. This is the relation. Okay. Using roster form. Describe the relation using order roster form. Write down domain and range. What is the domain? Domain is equal to first element in the order pair 1, 2, 3. Range. Range is equal to 6, 7, 8. Second element in the order pair. Second element in the order pair. Next one. A is equal to 1, 2, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5. B is equal to 4, 6, 9. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5. B is equal to 4, 6, 9. Define relation from A to B. Define relation from A to B. A to B by R is equal to, what is the R? X comma Y, such that the difference between x and y is odd. The difference between x and y is odd. X y के difference means minus. So x minus y is nothing but x minus y. The difference between x and y is odd. X belongs to A and y belongs to B, comma x belongs to A, y belongs to B. X anedi, so R is equal to what? R is equal to x comma y is such that x minus y is odd. X belongs to A, y belongs to B. Difference. The difference between x and y means x minus y. X minus y is odd. So, x is only in A, y is only in B. This is. So, odd numbers is 1, 2, 3, 5 and so on. These are odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are odd numbers. Minus 1, no, minus 3, minus 5 is also negative odd numbers. Positive odd numbers is 1, 3, 5 and so on. Negative odd numbers is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 is also negative odd numbers. So, what is the relation? R is equal to, first 1 no, 1 minus 4, 1 no minus 4. 1 minus 4 is equal to what? Minus 3. So, he is a odd number. 1 comma 4. Difference is x with y. Okay, first x y. Difference is odd. So, 1 minus 4 is odd. Next, 1 minus 6, 5, odd. 1 minus 6 kuda odd. Next, 1 minus 9. 1 minus 9 is equal to 8, minus 8, even number. So, 2 minus 4, even number. 2 minus 6, 4, even number. 2 minus 7, 2 minus 9, 7. 7 is odd number. Next 3. 3 minus 4, 1 odd number. 3 minus 6, odd number. 3 minus 9. 3 minus 9 is equal to what? 9 minus 3, 6. Even number. So 5 minus 4, odd. Next 5 minus 6, 5 minus 4, 1. 5 minus 6, odd. 5 minus 9 equal to 4, even number. This one. Okay, once again, the given condition is order pair first x value, next y value. So the difference between x and y means x minus y is odd. Okay, you have to take any value in between a and b. X is only a and b is only, y is only b. The difference is odd number. Minus 3 is a negative odd number, 3 is a positive odd number. So negative values also is a even number. So this is a relation. This is main thing is relation. Relation you have to write. You did write correct means. So remaining all are have right. So the difference of x and y, write are in roster form. Write are in roster form. There is no domain, codomain. They don't asking. Only roster form. Relation write in roster form. Relation write in roster form. Is it correct or not? 1, 4, 1, 6, 2, 9, 3, 4, 3, 6, 5, 5. Only roster form. There is no domain and range. So what is domain? 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 5 and 1, 3, 5 is a domain. Range 4, 6, 9. 4, 6, 9. 4, 6, 9. So this is the third problem. Only we have to write roster form only. Only roster form. Okay. Okay, next. Fourth problem. Only mapping is given. P, Q. 5, 3, 6, 4, 7, 5. First, set builder form. Second one, roster form. What is relation? 5, 6, 5, 3, 6, 4. This is 7, 5. This relation, from the relation, we have to write set builder form, roster form. What is the domain and range? So, roster form is nothing but direct element form. What is the one? 5, 3, 6, 4, 7, 5. Next, domain. Domain is equal to what? What is domain? 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. Range. What is range? 3, 4, 5. Domain, first element in the range domain, second element range. This is the roster form. So, set builder form. Set builder what? Observe. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Set builder form. So, 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. 7 minus 3 equal to 2. What is the say? How to write set builder form? How to write set builder form? R is equal to set of all x, y such that. So, the difference of two numbers x minus y is equal to 2. 5 minus 3, 2. 6 minus 4, 2. 7 minus 4, 2. 7 minus 5, 2. Up to what is x? Up to. So, x is equal to what? 5, 6, 7. No, limit is there. This is the different finite set. Finite set means the set of all x order pairs x comma y. So the difference of two numbers is always 2. 5 minus 3 2, 6 minus 4 2, 7 minus 5 2. But what is x? This is a limit, finite set. Finite set means limited is there. So what is x? X is equal to 5 6 7, or x is equal to 5 6 7 and y is equal to 3 4 5, or y is equal to x minus y is equal to 2. So y is equal to x plus 2. Y is equal to x plus 2. So what is x? These both are same. X minus y is equal to 2. X is equal to 5 6 7 and y is equal to 3 4 5, or y is equal to x plus 2. Y is equal to x plus 2, or x is equal to y plus 2, or y minus y plus 2. Both are same. This one. The set builder form is ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ tough, small, difficult. Next problem. So remaining problems you have to homework, or I will explain tomorrow. Okay, thank you.